So, hello everyone. Today we will be starting with our average TI. So, the first question is on your screen. You may solve it out. So, now let's solve the question. So, for first question, we have to find the average. So, the value for oven for quality A is given. For quality A is given as 80. So, we'll add 80 plus. Then for soap quality A is given as 75, so we'll add 75 plus. For AC of quality A, AC of quality A, we have been given the value as 85 upon 3 because we have been given the value of 3. Okay, so now if we'll add it, we'll get the value as 250 upon 3, and when we'll solve it out, we'll get the value as 83.33. Okay, so in the next we have to find the ratio. So we have to find the ratio of quality A product soap. Quality A product soap. So the value is 75. So 75 upon, we have to find the value of product B refrigerator. Product B refrigerator is 85. So we'll solve it 85. So now when we'll simplify it, we'll get, so the ratio will be 13:12. So in the next question, we have to find the value of quality A product AC is how much more or less than product B fan. So now let's solve. So the value for quality A in AC is, quality A AC is 70. So it will become 70 minus quality B fan. So the value is given 95. So 95.95 into 100. My bad, it is 75. So when we will solve it, we'll get 20 upon 95 into 100. So when we'll cancel it, we'll get the value as 21.05. So you can write it as 21%. So now let's see the average number of quality A refrigerator, TV, ovens and fans. Quality A refrigerator is 70. Quality A TV is given as 60 plus quality A oven as 80. Quality A fan is 85 upon 4. So after solving it out, you'll get the value as 295 upon 4. When you will solve it out, you'll get the value of 73.75. So the next question is on your screen. You may solve it out. So for option number A, you have to find the percentage value. So you have to find the value for all the years, then only you can find which is the maximum highest increase percentage. So let's solve. First we'll solve for 2001. So for 2001, you have to find by 7.5 minus 6.8. Okay, so now let's solve. 7.5 minus 6.8 upon 6.8 into 100. You will get 10.29, and there is an increase. Now for next, you will find the value of 499. So you have to do it 6.8 minus 6. So 6.8 minus 6.6 into 100. There is an increase. Then for next year, 1997. So for 1997 you have to do 6.3 minus 6. So 6.3 minus 6 upon 6.3 into 100. So we'll get the value as 4.76 increase and decrease. And for 1993 you'll find 8.5 minus 6.3. Increase and decrease. And for 1950 you have to solve by 8.5 minus 8. 6.25, and there is an increase. Then for 1905 you have to find by 8.4 minus 8 upon 8.4 into 100. 4.76, and there is an decrease. For 1900 you have to do 8.4 minus 8 upon 8.4 into 100. So you will get the value as 4.7. And this is a decrease. So now you may see which has the maximum increase and maximum decrease. So max increase is in the year 1999. So 1999, and max decrease you can see it's in 1993. So 1993. Now for finding the average intensity, so you have to add all this. So you can do it like this: 7.5 plus 6.8 plus 6 plus 6.3 plus 8.5 plus 8 plus 8.4, and the value is upon 7. So after solving it out you will get the value as 51.5 upon 7. So when you will cancel it out you will get the value as 7.35, and this is the answer. So now for this we have to find the difference between average for 1900 and 1950 and 1993 to this. So let's find average from 1900 to 1950. So this will be 8.4 plus 8 plus 8.5 upon 3. So the value will be 24.9 upon 3. So it will come 8.3. Now then average from 1993 to 2001. So this will be 6.3 plus 6 plus 6.8 plus 7.5 upon 4. So the value will be 26.6 upon 4, 6.65. So now we have to find the difference. So difference will be 8.3 minus 6.65 will come 1.65. So in question number D you have to see the increasement in 2001 and 1993. So let's see. In 2001 it is 7.5 and in 1993 it is 6.3. So let's solve. 7.3 minus 6.3 upon 6.3 into 100, because we have to find how much increasement it is. So we have used this formula. So after solving it out you will get it 19.04. then you can write it as 19% increase. Okay. So for option number E you have to find the average first, and we have already found it, but let's do it once again. So 7.5 plus 6.8 plus 6 plus 6.3 plus 8.5 plus 8 plus 8.4 upon 7. So you'll get the value as, so 7.35. This is the average. So now let's see our average. It's of 2001. You can see 2001. Then 1999, it's decreased. This is also not this. Then in 1950, and of it is of 1905 and 1900. So the next question is on your screen. You may solve it out. So for this question, you need to first make the table like this. Now let's fill the value. So in section 1, the total value is given as 56. Then the ratio of boys to girls is given as 3:4. So you can write it as 3x and 4x. Then the total in section 2 is given as 60. Then the ratio is given as 3:1, 3y and y. In section 3, 52, and ratio is being given as 8:5. So 8x and 5x. Then total student 44 and ratio 6:5. So 44, 6x and 5x. So now let's solve for this. So 3 and 4. So let's solve. So 3/7 into 56. Why 3/7? 3, and if we'll add 3 plus 4, because we have been given the ratio as 3:4. So 3/7 total value, and what is the total students given? It is 56. So now let's solve. So it will come 58, it will come 24. Okay, so now the value will come as 24, and same for this, we'll get 4/7 into 56. 8 will get the value 32. So we'll get 32. So now for this, you'll see 4, 3/4. Why? 3 and plus 1, and in this. So you'll go 3/4 into 60. So you'll get the value as 45. Okay, 45, and 1/4 into 60, 15. So you'll get 15. Okay, so now for this, 8/13 into 52. 8 plus 5, 13. Okay, so you'll get 4. So you'll get the value 32. Then 5/13 into 52, you'll get 4, you'll get 20. Okay, so you'll get the value as 20. Then over here, 6/11. 6 plus 5 is equal to 11. So 6/11 into 44 total value. So you'll get the value as 44. You'll get 24. Okay, so you'll get the value 24. And 5/11 into 44. 5 plus 6 goes to 11. Okay, so you'll get 4. You'll get 20 value. So your table is made like this. So the total girls admitted in 1 and 3. So total girls in 1, 32, and in 3, 20. So if you'll add it, you'll get 32 plus 20 equals to 52. Okay, now for this, the total number of boys in section 2 and 4 together. Boys in 2 and 4. (45 plus 24). Okay, approximately what percent of total numbers in the same section? So total numbers in the same section, 60 plus 44 into 100, because you have to find the percentage. So when you will solve it out, you will get the value as 69/104 into 100. So when you will solve it out, you will get 66.34. Okay. So the average of all the, sorry, it's students in all the section. So you can see 56 plus 60 this. Okay. So average 56 plus 60 plus 52 plus 44 upon 4. So when you will solve it out, you will get the value as 212 upon 4. When you will cancel it out, you will get the value as 53. Find the ratio for boys in 1 and 3. Boys in 1 and 3. 1 in 1 it is 24. So 24 upon, in 3 it is 32. When you solve it out, you will get 3 upon 4. 3 upon 4. Now for E. Total number of students in all the section is what percent more or less than in boys. So total students, you will add, you will get the value as 56 plus 60 plus 52 plus 44. It will become 212. Total boys 24 plus 45 plus 32 plus 24. So when you will add, you will get 125. So now we have to find the percentage. So more or less, so we'll use the formulas of more or less one. So we'll solve 212 minus 125 upon 125 into 100. So when you will solve it out, you'll get the value as 69.6%. So the next question is on your screen. You may solve it out. So for this question, please make the table like this. So now let's solve the question. Okay. So in this question, we have been given the total value of products are 500 and 1/5 of the total products are fan. So fans, 1/5 of the total. 1/5 of the total is 500. So you'll get 100. Okay. So then 35 of the total products are of quality B. So 35%. So 35% of 100. Oh, it was of quality B. So you can write it 35% into 100. So you'll get 35. And if we'll subtract 100 minus 35, we'll get 75. Okay, so 75 upon 100 equals to 75. You can solve it by like this also, or you can directly do 100 minus 35, you will get 75. 15% of the total products are AC. So 15 upon 100 into 500 total. So you'll get the value as 75. Okay, then 2/3 of the AC is of quality A. So 2/3 of the AC 75. So you'll get the value as 25. You'll get 50. 50 minus 75 goes to 25. Okay. So then 25% of the total products are refrigerator. So 25 per 100 into 500. So you'll get 125. Okay. Then 40% are of quality B, refrigerator. Okay. Quality B, 40 per 100 into 125. So when you solve, you'll get this. You'll get 50. And when you will subtract it, you will get the value as 75. Okay, then 10% are of quality B, TV. So when you will add these all, when you will add these all, when you will add 75 plus 100 plus 125, 300. 3 minus 300 minus 500, you will get 200. So the value for TV will be 200. Okay. So then 10% are of quality B. So 10% are of quality B, you'll get 10. 20. Then if you'll minus it, you'll get 180. So your table is made. So now let's solve. Average number of product quality A made in the company. So quality A. So option A, 50 plus 75 plus 75 plus 180 upon 4. When you will solve it out, you will get the value as, my bad, the value over here will be 65. So over here also it will be 65. So when you will solve it out, you will get the value as 235 upon 4. When you will cancel it out, you will get 58.75. Then we have to find the ratio of TV of quality B and number of fans of quality A. TV of quality B. TV of quality B is 20 and fans of quality A is 65. When you will cancel it out, you will get the value as 4 upon 13. So now what's the difference between the number of AC of quality A and quality B? AC quality A and quality B. 50 minus 25, we'll get the value as 25. Number of refrigerators of quality A is what percent of total number of TV of both. Okay. So refrigerator of quality A 75 and TV, total TV 200. So when you will solve it out, you will get the value as 37.5%. Hope so the video was helpful. Thank you everyone.